Split signal here. In this video I'll be showcasing how to use a new tornado bismuth crystal which is called Bismuth Vote, and you can use this crystal in order to vote for or against a bismuth emission curve change. So it's a very critical change. Make sure that you educate yourself before you vote. You can do this by heading over to the website hypernodes.bismuth.live website. Then you click on blog and there you will see several articles. Make sure you read them and understand what you're voting for. Okay, now I am at the GitHub site. If you search for Tornado Wallet, you will see what I'm seeing, and you click on clone or download just and download the latest source. And if you run this Tornado Wallet from source, you will be able to use the new crystal. And I have opened the Tornado Bismuth Wallet. I'm seeing the new crystal here. You can just mark it, apply the change, and click on Bismuth Vote. The first thing what you want to do is set a master key. The master key, you just click on that drop-down icon, master voting key, and use a master key. You write your master key down. Usually you take 12 words for it, and this master key is being used for all the public addresses you are using within your Tornado Bismuth Wallet. As you know, you can use several addresses within the Tornado Bismuth Wallet, and this master key is applied to all of them, just that you know. Now we have the Bismuth motions. Here's a test motion, and this is here now the real vote. Reduce supply emission, yes or no. So I'll be talking about this one first, and then I'll be doing a real test motion using the second one. All right, let's just click on the first one, and we see what's going on here. We have the question, reduce supply emission. That's the question we are voting for. If you, like I said before, if you want to know more about it, how the emission curves change, please make sure you read all those changes and what's happening before you vote. Now we see that the start date, it begins at October 1st, 2019, and it ends at November 1st. So it will take a month, and then you have to reveal your vote at the last step. You have 10 days for that procedure, starting from November 1st until the 10th of November. Now we have here some statistics. Currently we have 9 voters, 10 votes, total votes of 445 bis. We have 2 options, option A or option B. Option A means you don't want a change in the supply emission. Option B is you want to reduce the supply emission. Now you vote with this, like you should know after you've read the articles. So you will just use an amount of this in order to vote. If your option will be selected, then your BIS is being sent to the developers. If your option is not selected, which you have chosen, then you get your BIS back. Okay, now that's, I think, very easy. So I'm going to go back and choose just a test motion in order to show you. I've already did 2 transactions. At this time, you are not able to change your vote. Maybe later on it will be possible to change your using this crystal. Okay, you see that I've done 2 transactions, or I voted twice. So you can vote as much as you want, and I'm going to do this now. You see here the total votes amount is 5 bis at the moment, so I'm going to do one more. In this test motion, I'm going to vote for A. And, well, I just need to confirm and send the transaction. You see this is here the data field, operation. Yeah, just gonna confirm it. It will take a while until this vote is being mined by the miners. And then after 15 minutes, the statistics should also change because it updates every 15 minutes. And then you should see it. And you should also see your transaction listed in here after the Bismuth Explorer shows it. I could... No, it doesn't show it at this time. So it will take some time. Okay, make sure that here you can see that your transaction for this motion, the type and the data field, the data field shows what I've already voted for. So it is revealed. Here you see that I've chosen option, the first time I've chosen option B. The second time I've chosen option A, and now the third time, the transaction I did this time, I've chosen also option A. So you see that this is revealed in here. And the latest step, or the last step, would be that I would reveal my voting option to the audience, to everyone. And this is the last step, which I could then do starting from November 1st until November 10th, I think. Okay, I think that's all. That's all. And let's see if it has been mined yet. Yeah, it has been mined. If I go back and update in here, you see that I've voted now 3 times. The last vote happened just a minute ago, and you see that all my votes are in here. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you next time.